So today we're going to make Mudamas, my favorite breakfast. You're going to need a can of fava beans. These are easy to find in Middle Eastern grocery stores, and I think you can also find them online these days. Give it a wash and put it in a small pot. Bring the fava beans to a boil, about 5 minutes will do. As they're already cooked, you don't actually have to heat them up that long. I wouldn't cook fava beans from scratch unless I had a really big batch. That's why I use a can. I'm going to start with a small clove of garlic. You know those little ones you get inside the garlic head? That's the one that I use. You can use a garlic crusher to mince it, or I just prefer to chop it up finely and then squish it with a fork with some salt. That just saves me some washing up. So I've minced my garlic really well, and I'm going to add a pinch of cumin. It's basically a cumin herb spice blend. I have the recipe for it on my website, but if you don't have it, just use ground cumin. Now I'm transferring the fava beans to the bowl, and it's okay if you take some of the water too. In fact, I'm going to add a little splash of the water too, because I don't want the consistency too runny or too kind of dry either. I'm going to add a good squeeze of lemon, and then I'm going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to use the fork to mash some of the beans. I'm going to have some of them whole and some of them squished. If you like things spicy, I would also at this point add a little sprinkle of chili powder. And I'm going to plate up one of these traditional terracotta bowls and a final drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on top. This literally took me 5 minutes for the most healthy and delicious breakfast. You can also garnish it with some finely chopped tomatoes or parsley as well. Serve with pickles, cucumbers and fresh flatbreads. I have the link for the full recipe in the description below. Check the website for more amazing Lebanese recipes.